Hello, my name is Jiang. I'm a 16-year-old violinist from Michigan, and today I will be talking about how to change your strings. So first of all, how often should you be changing them? A general rule is that you don't want strings on for longer than 2 to 3 months, and if you're putting in the long hours of practice every day, you should be looking to change them out more often. Another tip is to try to avoid changing them one string at a time, and rather to always just switch out the full set. So the first step is to loosen the string by unwinding the peg, just as if you were lowering the pitch for intonation. Then you can pull the string out of the peg and unhook the bottom end from the tailpiece. Remember to never do more than one string at a time, otherwise there will be nothing left to hold your bridge up. Next, you can take out the peg and apply some peg wax, which you can easily find at any instrument supply shop. Peg wax helps for ease of tuning later, especially in humidity. On your peg, you'll see a small hole through which you need to thread your string. Here I'm demonstrating it outside and inside of the actual peg box on the violin. This can definitely take a few tries, so be patient and try threading it through at different angles. Once your string is through, it should look like this. Next, you're going to start winding your string, just as if you were tuning. On the lower two strings, wind towards the left, and on the upper two strings, wind towards the right. You want to make sure that your coils are lining up next to each other and not crossing over. When you're done, it should look like this. Once you have the upper end of the string partially wound, you will need to secure the bottom. Do this by threading the end through the hole in the tailpiece and gently pulling upwards until it latches. On some string models, there will be a loop on the end of the string, which you will thread onto a small hook on the tailpiece. After this, you're just going to finish winding up the string just as if you were tuning. The last thing you need to check for is to make sure that the string lines up with the notches both on the bridge and the nut of the violin at the top of the fingerboard. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Happy practicing.